Today I'm going to show you how to remove payment methods on Shopify. It's very easy to do. So let's get into the video. So what you have to do is just simply click on settings at the bottom left corner. After that, just simply go to billing option in here and click on build in now over here. It will show the payment method that is currently active in your store. Then you have to do is simply click on the three dots over here, then click on it and hit replace. Then replace it with the payment method that you want. So if you want to remove the payment method entirely from your store, so just simply go to plans. Now make sure before deactivating the plan that you currently are running, remove and close the old subscription that you currently have active on your store. So make sure to remove them first before deactivating the plan. After you remove the extensions and all the applications that you are paying have a subscription, the payment method will be automatically gone.